He pulls me close like I'm already his. Breath on my neck, heat in every kiss. I try to fight, I try to tease, but I'm shaking just from saying, Daddy, please. I played it cool, kept my pride intact, but one look and I'm on my back. His touch writes fire in all my zones, can't fake it now. Daddy's home, lights down low, clothes on the floor, just say go. He shuts the door